Hi guys, this is Daniel, and today I'm going to do a real quick tutorial for you. So I'm just going to show you how to actually make a custom audience based on video views so you can make a retargeting Facebook ads campaign. I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, and then right after I do, I'm going to tell you some reasons why it's important and what other things you can do related to it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So just on Facebook, go to your Business Manager account. Then up here in the top search bar, just search audiences. All right, click on the audience. Now it's real simple. You're just gonna, when it loads, up here in the top left corner, you're gonna click Create Audience. You're gonna click Custom Audience. Okay, you're gonna do Video as your Facebook source. All right, now you're gonna choose your content type. So this is how long the person actually viewed your video. For starters, I'd recommend 10 seconds because it's enough to where they at least stopped and engaged with it for a little bit. If you want to be more, kind of thorough in terms of who you're targeting, if you want them to be more and more engaged, just scale up accordingly. But I'd say 10 seconds is good as a general rule for your retargeting videos. So we're going to choose a customer testimonial for this as our example. Push confirm, and then I'd probably set your targeting to the past 30 days, as that's pretty fresh in people's minds. They'll at least remember that they saw this probably within 30 days. For your audience name, just whatever you like, but let's just, for this one, we'll just say video views, retargeting, audience, customer, testimonial. And then maybe the date, and then your initials or name, so you can actually find it later. Go ahead and get these right. Okay, like that. Push create audience. And that's literally it. That's all it takes, just a couple minutes. Okay, so there's a couple other things you can do. One of the reasons why you would create a custom audience in the first place is in order to do retargeting videos. So to make a retargeting ad or video, you would then create this audience and then run your retargeting ad to those people who are engaged in your content, engaged in your products, but they just need help making a buying decision. So some more things you can do from the actual custom audience is you can actually go and make a quick retargeting, or a lookalike audience rather. So all you do is click this right here, just click on it, click create lookalike on these three dots, and then you simply just select your region. So typically it's going to be like United States. Click that, click out there, and then you can actually make multiple. So we'll do 3 for now, and then each one, the closer to 0 is the closer that the audience is going to be to your original audience selection. So like 0 to 1% is going to be like the closest people to the people that looked at the ad, that are actually in the video views, that actually viewed the video, right? And then farther away, they're going to be kind of different, but it can still be valuable to target all 3. So you just click create audience, and that's literally it. It's that easy. And actually from there, you can actually, the original, like for example, this customer testimonial, we could turn that into an ad and actually run it to these 3 retargeting audiences, because they're going to be similar to the people that already viewed and were engaged in the testimonial. And so it makes sense that we can then, based on those customers, we can then show that same testimonial to these people in the retargeting audience. Then they will get into this audience, and we can then retarget them. So it creates a good loop of people coming into your funnel, watching your ads, and then getting into your retargeting sequence to be retargeted. So if that helped you, please drop a like down below. Drop a comment if you'd like any more videos or certain kinds of videos. I really appreciate it. Likes will really help grow the channel. And if you'd like more, please subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter.